All right, guys, today we got a challenge for you. A challenge that's gonna be coming at you. It's gonna be coming fast, and there's gonna be prizes involved. So you have to be subscribed to the video. So subscribe if you're not. We're in fitness culture. The mirrors were installed. So I've been just doing nothing but pec popping in here. What we have today though, bench press your body weight challenge. I'm 225 pounds, Jake's 245 pounds. That's what we're going off. Jake's a bench press phenom. What we're doing, bench press your body weight for time today. If you guys film you beating Jake and I's time, we will have a prize for you. I will also have a prize, a $200 gift card. $200 gift card to Gymshark for the fastest time out there. So even if no one beats Jake and I assume there's some 140-pound wrestler out there that should smoke us. But the fastest time I get, you guys have to submit it either on Instagram or on a YouTube channel, or you can do even email. You can submit it to us via email. If you go to renee@stevecookhealth.com, submit it there. Speed up the time if you can, but it has to be at one continuous shot. So you can't edit it all. It has to be one continuous shot. It can be sped up. You have to do it 100 times. Your body weight, bench press your body weight 100 times. It doesn't matter how many sets it takes you. You can do it. I have my own kind of like theory about how I need to attack this. It doesn't sound too hard. 100 reps. It gets real hard. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna warm up right now. So the rule is, once you take it off, you can hold it. Once you start moving it down, that is when you have to start the clock. So you don't have to start it here, but the minute it starts moving towards your chest, that's when the clock starts. It has to hit your chest, and you have to walk out. Under 11:30. Oh, I'm mad right now.
Should do this like every other week.
I know.
Try to get better at it.
So 100 reps at 225 for me, even though I'm 220. Did chest yesterday. I'm making a lot of excuses. I know it. 11 minutes, 29 seconds. All right. Jake's up now. Big dog. 245. See how many times he can do it. I'm guessing you go right around 10 minutes. Don't let me down.
I'm going 100%.
Oh, I like it.
For sure 100%. Never believe it. All right, ready?
Ready.
So start, once I start going down?
Yep. Wow. Different approach here. I like it. 654. Inside, I'm so mad right now. So mad right now. So I'm actually gonna wait to upload this in 2 days, and I'm gonna do it again. It sets at 7 and see how we do it. Well, we'll leave in my first set, but I just can't do that. I can't. I'm pissed I didn't do sets of 7. That's a freaking crazy chest pump though right now. All right, guys. So I've been gone in Chicago, New York before that. Ate a lot of pizza. Only worked out twice. I worked out chest with David Lade, and then we did arms. We did chest and back with David, and then arms with Doug. So I haven't worked out. I've only worked out twice in the last week, but I had to come back and try this again because obviously you guys just saw I didn't do as well as I could have. Jake came out with the secret, hitting 7 reps, 7 reps, 7 reps. So we're gonna try that today. A little bit nervous because I did get off a plane last night late and I'm just a little jet lagged. So we'll give it a go.
And here we go.
That's it? One more set or one more rep?
One more rep.
Really?
99. Yeah.
I feel like I don't know if I got all my reps. Right at 10 minutes. Let's go back and look. I will get this under 10 minutes. It's pathetic, man. Not happy. Gosh, that's what I'm starting doing. I gotta get strong again. Nothing that's traveling, eating pizza every night. It's time to get fit, fitness culture. See how they threw that left-handed, like a little girl? All right, I gotta finish my chest workout now. That was exercise number 1. I got 3 more exercises.